As developers get comfortable using AI-assisted development tools in a paired programming model, what's the next step in this evolution?
As AI-assisted development keeps evolving, we are starting to move from using AI as a helper to seeing it as an active part of how we deliver software. Early on, these tools felt more like coding companions. They suggested snippets, wrote tests, or generated documentation to help speed up development. But over time, we learned that working well with AI takes more than just prompting. It means giving the right context, being clear about intent, and breaking problems down into smaller, well-defined tasks so that AI can produce better results. Now we are beginning to treat AI as a real contributor to the team. This is an augmented model, not a replacement one. The goal is not to take people out of the process, but to extend what we can accomplish. Humans bring creativity, context, and judgment, while AI can add speed, consistency, and cost effectiveness. When those strengths come together, teams can deliver software more efficiently and make better use of their time and resources. So this next step is seeing AI as part of the team itself. People will still define the vision, design the architecture, and provide the context needed for success. From there, stories and tasks can go to either human or AI developers, depending on the type of work, its complexity, the level of reasoning involved. With all this in mind, the overarching goal is for coding agents to handle tasks asynchronously in the background, while people focus on higher-level problem solving and collaboration.